Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to write easy essay on my parents. 10 lines on my parents. First line, my parents are the most precious gift of God. Next line, they are the most important part of my life. Third line is they are the first teacher of my life. Next line, they support me, helps me and love me very much. Next line, my parents are my role models. Next line, my parents are fills my life with happiness and joy. Next line, my father is a teacher in a high school. Next line, my mother is a homemaker. Next line, I love my parents so much. Next line, my parents are the best parents in the world. Thank you. Please like the video and subscribe my channel for more such videos.